Hello my dear friends, today we will be discussing about the fifth exercise of understanding elementary set. Okay, it is in standard 6. My dear friends, in this chapter we will be studied about the definition of perpendicular. Okay, in this chapter we will study about the definition of the perpendicular. Meaning is what? What is a perpendicular? What is the value of the perpendicular? How the perpendiculars are related with the parallel lines. Okay, my dear friends. So, my dear friends, if you like my video, then subscribe it. If you have any doubts, write in my comments. Okay, my dear friends. Let's start one by one. So, my dear friends, what is the definition of a perpendicular? You know what is a perpendicular? Let's see this one. If a straight line is there, okay, if a straight line is there, if I divide this straight line means what? If I divide this straight line into two equal parts means what? With the help of scale as well as with the help of a compass you can do it. With the help of the compass means how you will do it? That you have to take more than half of the dimension and put the compass needle here. You have to bisect in the both the side. Same dimension you take here and put it and bisect in both the side. And now join the two bisecting points. Whatever the center or whatever the bisecting point or the center point, whatever it will come, it will be what? Making 90 degree with the what? The horizontal line. Understood, my dear friends? Okay. Now the definition of a perpendicular is what? The definition of a perpendicular is the line which bisecting a horizontal line in a single point and make 90 degree angle or right angle with the horizontal line, then that line is called perpendicular line, my dear friends. Remember this one. Okay. So, what is the definition of perpendicular? You understood it? Okay. Very good, my dear friends. Let's do one by one of problems of your exercise 5.5. Okay, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Let's start. It's saying that what? It's saying the first question is saying that it's asking it is true or false or what? Prove it. Okay, let's see one by one. What is the first one it's saying? The first one is saying that what? The edges of the table are perpendicular to each other. Yes, it is. Why? Because in the corner they are forming 90 degree. Here, the table is a rectangular shape or not? So each edges they are forming how many degrees? 90 degrees. Then I will say that if I name it A, B, C and D, then I will say that AD perpendicular to CD or DC. Like this one. BC is perpendicular to CD. Next, which one? Then this one. CD is perpendicular to which one? This BC. Okay, same with this one. What is that? AB is perpendicular to BC. Like this manner I will denote. Write the perpendiculars. Okay. So what is the symbol of perpendicular? This is called the perpendicular symbol. Okay. Okay, my dear friends. So, what is the first question? The edges of the tables are perpendicular. Yes, it is. This is the answer. Okay, my dear friends. Now, you just tell me the edges of this whiteboard is what? Yes, it is also perpendicular. Why? The two lines are perpendicular to each other. Means they are making 90 degree to each other. Here also it is also forming a right angle, 90 degree. This side also forming a what? Perpendicular, that 90 degree. These two are also perpendicular to each other. Understood, my dear friends? Okay. Let's go to the second one. The second one is saying that what? The second one is saying the two lines of a railway track are perpendicular? No, because they are parallel to each other. Understood? Let's go to the another one. The letter L is a perpendicular. Example of perpendicular? Yes, it is. Why? If the two lines are making 90 degree with each other or making right angle to each other. Okay? Okay. The third one, V. It is a perpendicular? No, it is not. Why not? Because they are not forming here 90 degree. Which type of angle it is, my dear friend? Yes, it is acute angle. So it is not a what? It is not perpendicular to each other. Acute angle. It is not perpendicular. It is not perpendicular. Understood, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Let's go to the second one. What is the second one is saying in your exercise? Okay, my dear friends? So, if you understood, then like my channels. If you want more video from me, then what? You have to subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, then write in comments. Okay, my dear friends? Okay, let's go to the second one. What is the second one? The second one is saying that what? PQ be the perpendicular to the segment XY. PQ. PQ is a perpendicular. We are saying that PQ is a perpendicular to XY line segment or a XY line. Okay. Let PQ and XY intersect in a point A. PQ means it is bisecting here. Okay, it is a bisecting line. Okay, PQ. They are intersecting means cross with each other at point. What is the name of the point? The name of the point is A. Okay. Here it is saying that what is the measure of angle PAY? Angle PAY is how much? PAY. This angle is how much? Yes, very good. Genuinely it is what? The perpendicular bisect the line in what? How many angles? It is 90 degree angles. That's why I will say that angle PAY is what? How much? 90 degree, because PA is perpendicular to what? XY. That's why angle PAY is 90 degree. This is the solution for your question. Understood, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Let's go to the third one. What is the third one is saying? The third one is saying that what? It is a line square, it is given here. What is the third one saying? That there are two set square in your box. Set square means how it is? Okay, here the two set square are there. You can check it. Okay, my dear friends. The two set square are in the form of right angles. Understood, my dear friends? Remember this one. Set square means it is present in your geometry box. Okay. So set square is like this one. Two types of set square made up of glass. Okay. It's saying that the two set square in your box. What are the measure of the angles that are formed on their corners? In this corner, this is the corner. This is the corner. What are the angles it is formed on the corner? Do you have any angle measure that is common? Okay. It's saying that in the corner, generally they are forming three angles. Yes or no? Then which angle is common here? Yes. That is what? This angle. If I name it A, B, C of one set square and another one is X, Y, Z. The other name of the other set square. Then what happened? Which one is the common? First it's saying that how many angles are there? There are three angles are there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then in between these two, which one is the common one? Yes. That is what? Angle B. A, B, C angle is how much? It is 90 degree. And here it is X, Y, Z is how much? 90 degree. Means this angle is how much? 90 degree. Why? Because AB is perpendicular to BC. Okay, because AB is perpendicular to BC. Here, tell me. Yes, very good. XY is perpendicular to YZ. Or you can say it also. YZ is perpendicular to XY. Whatever it will be. Here also, BC is perpendicular to AB also. No problem is there. Either that one or this one you can write it. Okay, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Go for the next one. Fourth one. Remember, my dear friends, always I told you, remember the funda. If you remember the funda, then every question is easy for you, my dear friends. Okay? Let's go to the fourth one. What is the fourth one is saying? The fourth one is saying that it is a straight line. Okay? And it is saying that P P or the line M bisecting the line, what is the name of the line? L. M bisect to L line. M line is bisecting to L line. In which point? Here it is saying that the point is E. And there is another point is there P. Okay, in the line M. Okay. Again it's saying that what? There are some divisions are there. What is that? Here A, B, C, D and up to H. Okay. E, F, G, H. Here some points are given. And name it. What is the name? It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Like this manner the points are given to each other. Now you just first tell me, is line M is bisecting to line L? Yes. M line is bisecting to L line or L line is bisect to M line. Okay, they are intersect to each other, cross to each other. Understood, my dear friends? Okay. So what is the first question it is saying? The first question is saying, is C is equal to EG? C is equal to EG. Each. Now find out where C is there. C and D. Okay. Is equal to EG. E and G. Notice it. Between C and E and G. How many points are gap? Here 1 point. Here 1 point gap. So I will say that C is equal to EG. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now you can say that this is correct. Why? Because in between them only 1 points are gapping. Or you can say that C is equal to EG means it is equidistant. Matlab equal means equal distance from the center. Equal distance from the center. Okay, my dear friend, this is the answer. Okay. Why? Because the perpendicular bisect the line into two equal halves. Okay, my dear friends? Okay. Or you can say that perpendicular bisect the, or you can say that M perpendicular bisect the line L in two equal halves. This is the statement is. Okay, my dear friends? So this is the first question answer. Okay. What about the second one? Let's go for the second one. Okay, I will not erase this one. Okay. Second one saying, does PE bisect CG? PE bisect CG in this line. Just say, think it, where P is there. PE is bisect CG, C and G. Yes, it is. Why? Because if I close the upper line, upper half of the bisecting line, then what happened? This is the what? Horizontal line, and P is what? Vertical line. They are bisect to each other. Okay? Yes. Yes. Okay? Next, again is saying that C. What is the C is saying? The second question is yes. What is the third question is saying? The third question is saying that what? Identify any two line segment from which PE is the perpendicular to perpendicular bisect. Identify any two line segments for the which PE bisect. PE bisect to which line segment? Any line you can take it. First PE bisect to AH, starting from here to here. Again BG you can say it. Again it is so many things there. PE is bisect to CF. PE is bisect to CF, because they are divide the perpendicular is divide the line into two equal parts. That's why you have to take two equal points from the center. Next DE, not DE, DF. DF what? Perpendicular, or sorry, PE is perpendicular to DF. PE is perpendicular to DF. First one is AH, second one is BG, third one is CF, third one is PE is CG. Here it is CG. here CG or CG, okay. P is equal to B, sorry, CF, here CF, sorry, CF, here BG and AH, okay. So these are the perpendiculars here done by PE, okay. So these are the answer. Any two it is saying, you write can also three also. You know the three answers, but you just write two answers. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is the next one is saying? Are these are true? True or false? It is asking, my dear friends. What is the true and false? First one is saying what? The first one D is saying that what? The D is saying that AC is greater than FG. AC is greater than FG. Where AC is there? AC here is greater than FG. Yes, why? Because AC, there are another point is there. Okay, here no point is there. So I write yes. Okay, okay. Next, it's saying that CD is equal to GH. CD is equal to GH. Now in this line where CG is there, CD is there. This one. This one is CD. GH, yes. Why? Because they are equidistant from each other. Okay? Yes. It is also yes. Next one. BC is less than EF. BC is less than, what is that? EH. It is asking. Where the BC is there? BC is here. Again, BC is here. EH. EH. This one. The bigger one. Yes. Because in these 2 points, one equal gap is there. Here, 1, 2, 3 equal gap. So, EH is greater. So, you have right? Yes. Okay. So, this is the question. It is given in your book. So, my dear friends, first understood the funda. What is the funda? What is a perpendicular? The perpendicular is nothing but it is a what? It bisects the or cross a line into two equal halves and making 90 degree with the what? Crossing point of two lines. These are the very, very important thing. So my dear friends, if you have any doubt, then write in my comments. If you like it, then subscribe it. Okay, my dear friends. Thank you. Okay.